Second problem, find the coordinates of the trisection. This is the trisection, trisection of the line segment joining 2 points. Suppose this is the AB joining points, A x1 y1, B x2 y2. A trisection means 2 points. P divides 1:2 ratio. Q divides 1 to 2:1 ratio. P divides 1:2 ratio. Q divides 2:1 ratio. This is the trisectional points. Find PQ points. P of x, y. Q of x, y. P divides line joining the points in the ratio 1:2. Q divides line segment in the ratio 2:1. Find PQ. Trisection means points, 2 points. P divides in the ratio 1:2. Q divides in the ratio 1 to 2:1. 3 total 3 distance 1 2 3. Here P divides 1:2. Q divides 1 to 2:1 ratio. Find PQ. Let the ratio 2:1 and 1:2. Let the ratio 2:1 and 1:2. Ratio P divides 1:2, Q divides 2:1. Given points, 2 points, A x1 y1, B x2 y2. Let P of x comma y is required point. P of x comma y is required point. The point P of x comma y divides, this is the divides, line segment AB, in the ratio 1, only 1, this is the 2, 1:2 ratio. Internally, this is the internally. External means outside, this is the internally. Substitute value P of x comma y, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. P of x comma y equal to m1, first 1:2 ratio, m1 x2, this is the x1 y1, this is the x2 minus 2 plus m2 2 x1, this is the x1 4 by 1 plus 2, here also 1 plus 2, m1 1 y2, this is the y2 minus 3, m2 2 y1 minus 1. Substitute values. Next is simplification. 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 4 8 by 3. 1 into minus 3 plus bracket means into, plus into minus 2 ones 2. 1 plus 2 3, 1 plus 2 3. 8 minus 2 6 by 3. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Negative adding 3 ones 3 twos. 2 comma minus 5 by 3. This is the 1 point complete. Here P complete. Next Q. Let the point anyone take 2 points. Another point you also, Q also take, or P also take, anyone. Q of x comma y divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:1. Another point Q 2:1. Internally Q of x comma y equal to m1 x2 plus m, same formula, but ratio different. First one 1:2 ratio, next one 2:1. Same substitute values. Q of x comma y equal to m, right formula, substitute the values. m1 2, same x2 x1 same, m2 1 by same m2 m1 plus m2 2 plus 1 1 plus 2 3 2 plus 1 also 3 here 2 plus 1 also 3 2 into minus 2 minus 4 1 into 4 4 2 into minus 3 minus 6 1 into minus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 4 plus 4 0 by 3 minus 1 minus 6 minus 6 minus 1 minus 7 by 3 0 by 3 0 minus 7 by 3 here x1 x2 x1s are this is the same x1 x2 y1 y2 same values y1 substitute values same values same but only ratio difference p divides 1 is to 2 ratio q divides 2 is to 1 ratio. This is the trisectional points. The required points equal to 2 comma minus 5 by 3 0 comma minus 7 by 3. This is the required points, trisectional points.